Wanted to make a video on my new compressor. There aren't a lot of videos on this particular model. It's the Husky 30-gallon dual cylinder, single stage, belt drive. It's a really nice unit. Quiet. This was a return model I got for 150 bucks off the regular price. Added a water filter, a water air filter, which even in this really cold weather still catches a lot of moisture. I want to change this cheap regulator. But other than that, this thing, it refills fast. It's quiet as can be. The only complaint, like other people have mentioned, is the drain valve on the bottom, which I'll deal with it or change it later, whatever. And then this is my temporary line up to the $80 Harbor Freight hose reel. Works good for 80 bucks. And in my last video I mentioned the Husky high airflow aluminum hookups, which have a much bigger hole for the 1/4, but I dropped this one, and this isn't a very heavy tool. It's just an air gun, and it took a chunk out of there. And when you hook it up, it leaks like a son of a bitch now. And I just bought one set of them, and I got the other one on the earthquake ratchet, and that one doesn't leak. So now this one leaks, so they're nice, but I guess you got to take care of them. So just to waste some air, so you can hear how quiet this thing is, because it's crazy how quiet it is. This is a nice gun. This Husky $20 or $18, whatever it is, air gun, moves a lot of air. Should be enough to turn it on now. Really quiet. I don't even have to raise my voice to talk over it. You can even hear the radio over it without turning it up. Really nice unit. Still waiting on my Harbor Freight wrench, but it runs this IR impact wrench no problem. But you can take off 4 tires easily without it kicking on, so lots of air. This thing, however, I like shopping at Harbor Freight. A lot of cheap stuff there. You know, for 8 bucks you can't go wrong. It cuts, it does the job, but this thing uses a lot of air. So this is a nice wrench too. So yeah, just wanted to make a video of these for anybody looking for anyone who doesn't have a lot of experience with air compressors. This is my first air compressor. I've never had one before. We've worked with smaller models at where I work. The little bitty 13-gallon ones, and they take forever to refill. This one works nice. As a matter of fact, it's probably almost done. But one thing I wanted to mention is after you do that 20-minute break-in period, change your oil, because stuff that came out of there, I used it for a week after that, did a couple of small projects with it, and it was as black as could be. So make sure to change your oil after you break it in, regardless of what the salesman tells you, because they don't really care how long it lasts you. So yeah.